To make our pattern pumpkins, we're going to start by creating the shape of a pumpkin. I could put my paper, I could either do vertical or horizontal. There is not a right or wrong. I think on this one I'll do a vertical, but you can choose either or. I'm going to start with an oval in the middle. And if you want to start in pencil, you can, and then go over your lines in Sharpie marker. You could do that. I'm going to come to the side, come around, and then connect back to that first oval. I'm going to go to the other side, come around, and connect back. I'm going to do another one, like so. And then I'll do another one over here. So now I have the basic shape and I have these sections of my pumpkin. Now I can go ahead and give it a stem. I can make it short, long, kind of give it a little bit of a curve at the top. There is not necessarily a right or a wrong. I'm going to curve this line up and curve that line up. And then I'm going to connect at the top. So now I can go ahead and add in those polka dots. So I might choose to do some where there's thicker dots, some where there's thinner dots. I can go down the sides of the sections or right down the middle. I think I'm going to go down the middle with this. So I'm going to start by kind of creating the same size polka dot down the middle. Then I'll fill those in. And then maybe I do smaller polka dots on the sides. Then here I could do, maybe I do my smaller ones in the middle. Then maybe I do slightly bigger ones on the sides. Trying to make them evenly spaced and sized. I could do the same over here. I might repeat this one here, try to get some of those big ones, and I might have them going off the side there because my pumpkin is gonna, you know, be continuing past that point. And then I can kind of do those thinner polka dots here. So I'm going to repeat that one right here where I do the thinner dots first on the center. And then those thicker, slightly thicker, not as big as the, I'm using thick and thin. I don't know if that's the right way to put it, but smaller and bigger. It's probably better. And then I'm going to come in here and do the same. And then my last one, I'm going to have it look similar to that one. So I'm going to kind of do the polka dots going off the side of the edge there. And then I'll fill those in. And then now I'll do the smaller dots on the inside here. My last thing I can add polka dots to is my stem. I think I will do small ones down the side. I maybe just stop with that. I almost feel like I want a little something more on these sides. I might do just very fine little dots going down here, and then also in here and here. Okay. Now that I have my polka dot pumpkin, I'm ready to work on the fun part of adding color to my aluminum foil to get ready for that neat surprise. So I have my foil here. I've got washable markers. You want to make sure that they're washable. We also made sure to use a permanent marker on the pumpkin itself. So I can choose any, color choices that I'd like. I could go in rainbow order. I could, just kind of vary up my colors as I go. There is not a right or wrong. I'm gonna go in a circular way. So I'm gonna kind of work from the center and work my way out. And then I'm gonna go to a pink. And then I might go to an orange. And then I go to a yellow. I have two different yellows in this container, so I think either one would work. I'm gonna go to, I think I'll do a light green and then a dark green. And then into my blue, and then my purple, although my paper might not, depending on which way I lay my paper, I might not fit all the colors in. And then into that purple. Maybe I'll turn my aluminum foil this way when I go to do my print. Okay, so now I can spray my aluminum foil. I can start to see the colors moving on my foil. Now, some people even like to move the foil around. I'm gonna leave it just like that. I'm gonna take my pumpkin paper. I'm gonna put it down onto there. Now I can see where not all my colors went to the edges, so you'll probably wanna measure that out to make sure that your color goes all the way to the edge. I'm just gently rubbing the back. And when I lift it up, I have a very cool, colorful polka dotted pumpkin